Problem set 1, question number 7, second one. Here we have x square minus 3x by 10 minus 1 by 10. So denominator is 10, is it? So we have to remove this denominator. How? By multiplying 10 throughout the equation. So what happens? Just rough work I am doing. You can use pencil to do rough work. Multiply 10 to the first term, multiply 10 to the second term. Here you multiply, put multiply sign, multiply 10 to the third term. So what happens? 10 into x square, 10x square minus here 10 and 10 cancels, remains 3x, minus here also 10 cancels, remains 1, equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation in standard form. We can simplify. How? First term and last term we will multiply, and that is the product. Rough work I am writing here, product. So product 10 ones are 10 x square and sign is negative. Product is 10x square into 1, 10x square, sign negative. Now we will find two factors. How to find two factors? By multiplying those two factors we should get answer negative 10x square. By adding same those two factors we should get the sum negative 3x. Correct? So how to find these two factors? First you focus on sign of product. Product means multiplication. When you will get negative sign in the product, or after multiplying, when you will get negative sign after multiplication or by getting product, that is either positive into positive, one is positive, another is negative, the answer will be negative. This is the multiplication rule. Plus into minus, so answer should be minus. Our product means after multiplication whatever answer we are getting, so our answer should be negative. So one number should be positive, another is negative. So first we will fix two signs, one is positive, one is negative. Now this is called sum. So if one number, apply addition rule. If one number is positive, another is negative, according to the addition rule, numbers we will subtract and put bigger number sign. So now we will find two numbers such that by multiplying those two numbers we should get 10, and by subtracting, why we are subtracting? Because one is positive, another is negative, addition rule. By subtracting those two numbers we should get 3. So which number is suitable? 5 and 2, is it? Just you can recheck. 5 2s are 10. By multiplying we should get 10. And by subtracting 5 minus 2, by subtracting we should get 3. Correct? And sign also. If one is positive, another is negative, plus into minus, according to the multiplication rule. And according to the addition rule, if one is plus, one is minus, subtract numbers and put bigger number sign. Here the sign is negative, so bigger number should be negative, smaller one will be positive. Okay, now here we take x. Now first and last term comes as it is in the next step, that is 10x square, positive 2x, negative 5x, minus 1 as it is. First and last terms are same, and instead of writing negative 3x we are taking positive 2x and negative 5x. Okay, so now we have 4 terms here, 1 2 3 4. We will make the group of two terms, first 2 terms and next 2 terms, 2 groups. Now in the first group we have 2 terms, so we will take common outside. So 10 and 2 can be divisible with same table 2. So 2 take out of the bracket. Out of x square and x, smaller one is x, smaller index is x raised to 1, so x. So x we will take outside. Now start the bracket. Now focus on first term. 2 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Recheck. 2 5s are 10. Out of x square, x is common, x is taken out, so one more x remains here. Now multiply these two. 2 5s are 10, x into x, x square. Next plus 2x. 2x already taken out of the bracket, so nothing remains here, so 1. Next, negative we will take outside, but 5 and 1 it can't be divisible with any other same table, so we can't take any number common. So x, here we have x, here we don't have x, so x also we can't take outside, so nothing can be taken outside, so we will take 1 as common and start bracket. Now focus on first term. Negative is taken out and nothing taken out here, so 5x remains as it is, and outside the bracket, if negative taken out, previous sign becomes reverse, so this negative becomes positive and 1 as it is, equal to 0. And compulsory we should get common factors here, same, and this we will write only once. 5x plus 1 and 2x minus 1 we will write inside a bracket, equal to 0. Now two factors whatever we are getting, we will compare to 0, that is, therefore 5x plus 1 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore 5x as it is, in the next step positive 1 goes that side, it becomes negative 1. Therefore x as it is, negative 1 as it is, and 5 replaces to right side, so it comes in the denominator. So value of x is negative 1 by 5, and one more value is 2x, and negative 1 take that side, in the next step it becomes positive 1. Therefore x equal to 1 by this 2 comes in the denominator. So the roots of given quadratic equation are negative 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. This is the conclusion.